I'm Chang-Won with Gotta Be Mobile, and today we're at the Kyocera booth at CTIA 2012 taking a look at the Kyocera Rise smartphone, which features a sliding QWERTY keyboard. Can you tell us about this smartphone that you have in front of us, John?
Sure, Chang, thanks. This is the Kyocera Rise being introduced at CTIA for the first time, and this is a phone that is answering a really underserved portion of the market. In our consumer research, we've found that about 70% of people said that they prefer to have hard keys on their phone. And with so many touchscreen only devices on the market today, we created Rise with this really nice sliding keyboard. That's where the phone got its name. The display rises to give you this nice full-size QWERTY keypad. The device itself is an Android 4.0 ice cream sandwich device, so carrying the latest version of that. It's a very standard version of Android. One thing that we've done that you'll see on this device is to keep this ... button, which is a menu button specific to using the menus within applications. That's something that you won't find in all ice cream sandwich devices. From a feature standpoint, again, very standard Android. Something we have added is called Eco Mode. You can see this application here. What this allows you to do is to set a threshold on your battery, where if your battery is getting low, for example, it reaches 20%, 10% of power left, you can, by adjusting the settings, you can go in and turn on and turn off different features of the phone. For example, if your battery gets to a certain point and you want it to have a shorter backlight, or turn off Bluetooth, or stop searching for automatic application updates, things that will save the battery and make it last a little bit longer. From a spec standpoint on the phone, it carries a nice 1 GHz Snapdragon processor. You have a 3.2 megapixel camera with a camcorder at 30 frames per second. It runs on CDMA networks, CDMA Rev A, so 3G, nice high data speeds. The device itself is rather slim and trim, especially for having that slide-out keypad. It's in the neighborhood of about 5.5 ounces. And again, this is Kyocera Rise will be available this summer from carriers in the US.
How big is the screen and what's the resolution? Do you know that on the top of your head?
I do. It is a 3.5-inch HVGA, 480 by 320 with IPS, which is code for you get nice viewing angles. It gives you very broad viewing angles on the phone.
So 3.5 inch. It's really compact, but does give you the messaging features that a lot of people are looking for with a hardware keyboard.
That's right. It's very comfortable in the palm. It creates a nice size on the phone, and this phone is really designed to be an affordable device, especially for half the market is still using feature phones today. And as the feature phone users step up into a smartphone, so many are saying that buttons are even all that much more important to them. So for those people, having that full QWERTY keypad with a nice 3.5-inch display, this is a nice way of getting those people into a smartphone and comfortable with it at a nice affordable price point.
Great, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, John.